For bars, we're starting with kip drills, so get a stick or a broom or something. Lie on your back, arms at your ears, pointed toes, feet to the broom, pull up to your hips. See that again, so feet first, pull up to your hips, and sit. Okay, for the next exercise, you're going to need something to put your hands on that is higher than the floor. Here we use towels, you can use tablecloths, anything you have at home. Then make sure they are close next to your hips. Okay, you put your hands on, roll backwards with straight legs, and when you come forward, you lift your bum and hold it there. And down, and hold it longer than that. The next one, you do go again, and lift your feet and bum. And the third exercise, you can try this. This is a bit more difficult. You go and you try and go into a V hold. So that's keeping your feet as high as possible. And you can use someone to help you. Okay, for the last exercise for kips, you're going to lie on your back. Hands underneath your bum, straight legs, pointed toes. Then you lift your legs, keep your head in. Then lift your bum, back down, and then you repeat that. The next thing on bar is squat-ons or stoop-ons, so you'll get something higher than the floor if you have. Then measure 3 of your feet, 1, 2, 3. Then go to the line, push-up position, squeeze your bum, feet in, jump onto the block and keep a dish. Then we're going to do the same thing with stoop-on. So start in a push-up position, bum up, straight legs and forwards. Then the next exercise is a dish rock. This is for casts and tap swings on bar. So you keep your arms at your ears, head, chin in, feet together, straight legs and rock. Then you got to do the same thing on your stomach, arch rocks. Again, arms at your ears, keep tight, straight legs, pointed toes, feet together. Now we're going to do the dish rocks again, but with a candle. This is for your underswings. So you do 1, 2, 3. On the third one, you lift up your feet, arms to your hips. That is the bar. Again, push. Now we're doing handstand preps for bar. So find the line, go into a push-up position. Then you jump forwards into straddle and back into push-up. Then the same thing, but into handstand. So forward on the line, handstand, back into push-up. And then this last one is knees forward. Make sure your shoulders are forward, get your bum over, and then straddle to handstand, back onto your knees. Okay, next we're going to do handstand half turns on a line. Nadine will quickly show you what that looks like. Now, if you don't know which way you're turning, if you haven't done this before, do a normal turn first, a half turn. Here Nadine goes to her left. So first we're going to look at our hands, how we should turn them. Okay, now these are the hand movements for when you turn to your left. So the first hand goes in next to the other hand, and then you turn your body around and other hand back onto the line. If you're turning to your right, you move your right hand first, in next to the other one, turn around and put your left hand back down. Nadine will just show you what the prep will look like to figure out how your hands go. So that is how you figure out your direction. And then after that you can do that in a handstand.